Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think you're ready for God come back now? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So, and if you want to talk to me more about where you're here in this video, then check the description box and drop me a line. All right?
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 24 from verse 29 to verse 31. But in a them time there, little after the sufferation done, the sun a go dark up, the moon na go shine, and the star them a go drop out of the sky. Everything we in the sky a go get shake out of them place. Then you have sitting we make everybody know. So the man where God pick a come. People are go see that sitting there up in the ear. And people from all over are go start ball. Them are go see the man where God pick a compound cloud where come out of heaven. And him a go have power and one bright light will come from God a shine around him. Him will send the angel them if he come blow the trumpet loud. And them going gather up the people them when pick from north, south, east, and west from all over the world. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.